Nicole with Pink and Maine, here to go through an unboxing of our September Crafty Courtyard box. This month, the theme is sweater weather. We're ready for fall and all your fall projects. Look at these beautiful fall colors. We will open the box and get into the goodies inside. You always get an 8.5 by 11 project bag. You're going to get 6 pieces of 8.5 by 11 colored cardstock in these gorgeous fall colors. You get 2 pieces of 8.5 by 11 110-pound ice rink white cardstock. Well, let's open up this bag and see what's inside. We'll start with the stamp set, and it has some nice bold fall sentiments along with some leaves and an acorn. It has a knitted heart and then this cool 2-layer knitted border, so you could use like 2 tones or 2 different colors and layer them together. Our paper pad is called Sweater Weather as well, and it's full of these fun and beautiful knitted colorful patterns, and they'll be just gorgeous on your fall projects and even more. As always, 4 white envelopes. We have a stencil this month called Falling Leaves, and it's just full of these nice little leaves, perfect for fall projects. We also have a full roll of ribbon, and it's got these nice leaves on it. You get some dark brown rickrack trim. We're also giving you an assortment of charms. These look so cute tied onto your cards or projects. They're fairly flat, so they can go on a card fairly easily. You get an assortment of sequins, and they're beautiful for the fall, very sparkly. You get orange and white twine, 3 yards of each. You've got some craft stickers in those nice little tag or labels. And we're giving you 3 colors of tags that you can use on all kinds of projects, and your 1-inch flare button, which has got that cool knitted pattern on it. So I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough of our September Crafty Courtyard box. We'll see you again next time, and until then, keep living the creative life.